lovelies, it's Cal from Cal's All Crafts. Welcome back if you've been before, and hi if you've not been before. I've got a candle lit. I always have a candle lit for anybody that needs prayers, thoughts or positivity. Know that I have my candle lit for you. I'm just going to put it somewhere safe. So how's everybody keeping? I hope you're all okay. If I talk funny or dribble or what, well, not that you can see me dribbling, but I sound like it is. I've had a tooth extraction and it's infected and I'm a mess, but I really wanted to open this. Now this was sent to me courtesy of Captured by Radiance. They're a diamond painting company based in central Canada, and I think they've got some in Washington State as well. The owner and the founder, Deborah Metzner Hayes, is that how you say it? I probably butchered it, Deborah, I'm sorry. She contacted me and asked me very kindly if I'd like to review one of her products, diamond paintings, and she suggested quite a few, and I said, look, just send me what you think, send it as a surprise, and then, you know, it will be everything. I don't know what's in there, don't know what it looks like, nothing, so everybody will have my first impressions of it. So this company was started by Deborah back in 2016, I think she said she started it, and then 2019 to 20 she did lots of research and worked out what was the best canvases, drills, adhesives, test runs, whatever. This is where she's come to now, and I'll read you a bit of a gump after. So this is a box that it comes in. Sorry I can't get it all on because I don't know how to do the wide bit. It says it includes high definition painting canvas, 1 stone diamond tray, 1 drill pen and 1 mating pad. And then on the back, as a lot of them do, gives you the full instructions on how to use it. So I'm still no wiser of what it is. And that's the company. So there's www.capturedbyradiance.com. So, oh, we know what it is. I was hoping it was going to be this one. Turtles! Yay! And it's 80 by 60 centimetres. So let's get into it. I was hoping it was going to be this one. Oh, look. Can you see? The little green bag it's in. Oh, wow. Oh, that's pretty. Just making sure everything's out the bottom. Yep. Ooh. Dropsies. So, oh, look at that bag. Isn't it good? Oh, you can reuse this organza stuff and make some little bags out of this if you wanted. Recycle, but I won't. I'll be putting it back in there. So, oh, that's a lovely feel to it. She says, where is it? She sent me a little note. She does say what the canvas is. Let me have a look here. It is a velvet cotton short lined canvas. It's poured glue and it has scalped edges to prevent fraying. This is going to be huge. This is going to be too big for me to get into. This is bloody huge. Huge. So that's the picture. It is stunning. Absolutely stunning. And that you can find them on Facebook. And I know on Facebook you get added perks, she said. Members vote for favourite images. They receive notification on sales on kits and pens and have 48 hours access to all new releases before they go out to the general public. She said her group is small and we are steadily growing, and they look forward to seeing your finished products and things on there. And they've only just started shipping to the United Kingdom, Germany, Ireland and France with a flat fee of $50 US regardless of the number of kits purchased. So I would save up, buy a few canvases from them, and then it'll be worthwhile to pay your shipping and whatever. They also have 100% customer guarantee policy, which includes an O-SNAP insurance. Our O-SNAP insurance covers those accidents that can happen with spill drills and I can't seem to find that other bag of colour. And she said, I can't tell you how many times I've misplaced a bag of colour and understand how frustrating it is. But oh Snap will only cover up to 8 colours. Then her sister Tamara also joined, and she does all the hand-turned pens. They're acrylic hybrids and wood materials and beautifully crafted by Tamara. So yeah, if you want to know any more, let me know. But yeah, and then we've got the, what's it called it? Colour list chart. I don't know, I can't think. So there's your symbols. They seem quite simple to follow. It's sticky. You do have to cut them out, you know, do your cutting across. But that's fine. Your instructions are there as well on how to diamond paint if you've never ever done it before. This turtle coral reef is by Adrian Chesterman. All their pieces are licensed by MGL Licenses, and the artists they've got at the moment is Adrian Chesterman, Steve Reed, David McLaren and Dominic Davis. And they're hoping to have 5 more new artists coming in. So that's great. It's always good to buy off somebody that supports artists and pay them. So this is our, can we sort of get it in? Not quite, because it's huge. Let me see if I roll it the other way. Oh my god, look at all these. Look at all them diamonds. And it's a square. Who doesn't like doing squares? And they're all bagged, so you don't have to kit it up into anything else. I love them when they're bagged out, because you can work straight out of the bags, which I might be doing. So I'm going to roll it the other way, which you can do with poured glue. That helps to flatten it out a bit. So you'll have to excuse me if I've missed anything or forgotten to tell you anything. So we will do a measurement in a minute. Hang on, I have to just do that so it drops off. I haven't got enough room. Right, let's try that. That's a bit better. Right, that's a bit better, isn't it? I don't know if I can stand back to get it all in. My stand isn't very good, but that's the size of it. So there's my hand, so you can see how big it is. I haven't got a big measuring tape, so what's that one? So that's 30, 60, 80 by 30, dead on 60. So yeah, true to size. Let's have a look. Oops, a daisy. Can you see? Lovely and clear. And that nice and sticky as well. So yeah, hang on, I didn't put that down very good, but that's fine. So, let's have a look at the kit that we got. So this is the kit, comes in a beautiful little bag. This is your toolkit. This is all you will need. So if you've never, ever, ever diamond painted before, you've got everything you need here. Okay. Let's pull it out. Ooh. Oh, look at this. You get a cover minder. Now, if people don't know what a cover minder is, there's a little magnet on the back. Okay. And there's the other one. So you put that on the top. Okay. And let's do it over this corner. So if you were doing that corner, you'd put that on top of the cover, and that would go, I got it the right way there. So that would then, see, that would hold your cover back. Okay, so we'll put that back in there. So you have your cover minder in a nice little box. Sorry, I can't see what you were seeing then. Okay, we have a simple pen that goes on there. That's so you can hold it a better grip. Single placer. We have a 4-placer, which is my ultimate favourite. And what is that? Is that a 6 or a 9? No, it's a 7. Okay, so what you would do is these go on that. Let me just move it like that so I can see what I'm doing. So that would go into there, and then you would put your glue in that end, and then you would press this glue into there. So you would take this, which is lovely because it's in a little container, so even better. Now there is a plastic cover on there, so you just peel that off, and then you'd push that in, and it would put your wasps in and on there. Okay, you have your tray, which you'd pour your individual diamonds in, and then you've got the spout so you can pour them back into your containers. Oh, she's got diamond sticker that will be going on my box. Lovely freebie. And these look like the really sharp, pointy. So some people like to put squares on with tweezers, or pull them off if you've made a mistake, and they use these. I use these for anything and everything. I've got a pair of these all over the house because I use them for splinters and all sorts. Digging things out. And then we've got some nice plain washi tape. So if you want to section off your clear thing, you just put some washi tape into a square position, and then you can cut there, and you can just take that piece of your cover down. And then finally we have a card which has thank you code, and that tells you if you want to stop and have a look and go and give them a follow. But yeah, so captured by Radiance. I absolutely love it. Does look like a lot of confetti though, but I don't mind that because we've got places where you've got a lot of, you know, in blocking, and then some confetti. I like it when it's that. A little bit of this and a little bit of that, as they say. So yeah, go over, have a look, see what you think. Give us some support. They're only a small company, just, you know, they're doing their best, and I think they're doing a bloody fantastic job to be supporting a licensed worker. And the other thing that I like is they've got the key there and the key there. And can you see it up there? Up there. And sorry, and down there. But this one's upside down. So when you turn it, this will be facing the right way, so you can work on it, which is fantastic. So yeah, let me know what you think, and thank you again, Deborah. I am so chuffed that you thought of me, and I think I will, because I've got all my diamond paintings are stored away at the moment because of having the kitchen done, and I'm not going to be able to get them out yet without a struggle because I stored them away tidy, and yeah. And everything's round it and on it and by it, and yeah, so I might actually start this one because I am missing one, and because it's already in the bags, which we can have a look at the colours. I'll get one colour out to show you. It's going to be easy because I can work from the bags and then just put it behind me. So we'll just get one there. That's an 890 green. And we'll put some in a tray just so you can see, and we'll have a look at them. I am the worst shaker. You don't want to, but I can see, can you see the shine on them already? They are sparkling so much. Told you I'm absolutely hopeless at doing this. There you go. They look like all the same size. There doesn't seem to be any extra bits on them or holes. They've got a lovely, lovely shine to them. I don't know if it's capturing it. Is it? There you go. Can Can you see the shine? And that's, so yeah. And then when you're finished, you just hold the bag open and pour them in. Might be having a go at this when we come off here. Okay, so let me know what you think. Have you bought off them before? As I say, I absolutely love this. I love the fact you've got this. This you can cut out and put on your folder. Some people keep a folder of what they're doing or what they're not. But it has, if you wanted to put it back in there, because I do store my stuff back in their boxes now because I find it easier. But it has got the picture on there for you. Anyway, so you know. You store it that way so you can see. So with that said, thank you ever so much for stopping by. You know I always appreciate you all. Yeah, so look after yourself, stay safe. Most importantly, you know, I don't know what I'm saying. I can tell I'm on that many painkillers, I don't know. But take care, look after yourselves and stay safe. That's what I wanted to say. Love you all. Please, please, please leave me a comment because I'd love to hear off you because I've missed you all dearly. So bye for now.